got an Ancona Range Hood here. Seems like a decent fan. The only issue is when you press any of these buttons to turn the fan on or off, you get an annoying beeping noise. Now, I can't think of any good reason for a fan to beep at me, especially if I want to cook a little bit in the middle of the night. So what you do, get your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw from this side. Now you'll want to make sure it's not connected to any of your voltage sources before you go ahead and do this. And there was another one on that side, I got that beforehand. Now what you're going to do is look for a little donut looking thing on the circuit board. See, there it is right there. Alright, and you'll grab your pliers. And just firmly pull that up. And you'll see in there there's nothing in there. See, because I've already taken mine out. Alright, once you've removed your little donut, you'll see there's a little piece of circular foil magnet in there. That's what makes the buzz. So if you take that out, it'll stop your buzzing. Now you want to be sure that you're not taking off a capacitor or something else. So it'll have a little circle in the middle of it like a donut. And if you also look really carefully, you might see a little BUZ for buzzer beside it on the circuit board. So that's a good way to know that you're taking out the right piece of equipment. That's a piezoelectric buzzer. And we have now de-beeped this device. Hope it helps. There's your little foil magnet. That's what we've removed from our piezoelectric buzzer. And now it won't ring anymore.